Is your Google Chrome browser not opening up on your Windows PC after continuous attempts? If yes, the video for today is going to be very interesting for you. Watch my video completely till the end for a permanent solution to this problem. So the other day I switched on my laptop and I tried opening the Chrome browser, but it was not opening up after multiple attempts also. Then I got scared. I thought my laptop was infected with a virus or a Trojan or somebody hacked my laptop or something like that. But again, I have a proper antivirus program which protects my laptop in every way. So it's not possible to hack or it's not possible to infect my laptop with a virus. It's very difficult. So then I did a research online and I got to know that there are two very simple things that we need to do to fix this issue. The first thing is, if you're using the browser for a very long time and you haven't yet cleared the cache for the browser, like the cookies and history and everything, it is going to behave like this. So the first thing what you could do here is do a search for Chrome history, and then you get a lot of suggestions out here. This command, okay, click on the arrow button. You get a pop-up to the right out here. Click on open file location. And then you're going to get to the file for Google Chrome. Out here, what you could do is just double click on the app icon. Okay, this is the same thing as on the desktop when you're clicking on the desktop icon or the shortcut or whatever, but this may just help you open the browser. So once you're able to open the browser, do a Control H and you are going to see all the history out here. You could go ahead and delete browsing history for all time. Okay, ensure that everything is checkboxed out here and click on delete from this device. You restart your computer and it should work. If this doesn't work, all you have to do is try and update the browser, or you could uninstall and reinstall the browser. That's it. So to update the browser, it's very simple and easy. Just do a Google search for Windows Store or the Microsoft Store, and you could do a search for Chrome. Find for the app out here and see if there is an option to update the application. And if you want to uninstall and reinstall the application, it's very simple and easy. You just press Windows and I. You get a pop-up for settings out here. Click on apps and then scroll down and look for Google Chrome out here. Click on that and click on uninstall. After you uninstall, then you go ahead and do a search for Google Chrome on Firefox or any other browsers and reinstall it. So I hope any one of these methods fix your issue with Google Chrome. And if the problem is not yet fixed, do send me an email. I'll try to look for other solutions to this problem. If you like the video for today, give it a thumbs up, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.